Hi friends, welcome to Rasul Sensor channel. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. A huge fire that erupted at Al Mubarak popular market on Thursday gutted schools of adjacent schools. Quite fire force declared up to 8 squares battled the blazes amid having smoke from scorching scores, said Lieutenant Colonel the KFF public relations officer in a statement. The force was informed about the fire at 3:20 p.m. and blazes spread in the beginning to 20 stores, he said, indicating that the blazes engulfed the shops so quickly because they were packed with inflammable materials including perfumes and leather products. The firemen struggled to put out the blazes with some difficulties, such as presence of many people at the market, he said, urging people to stay away from the scenes and affirming that the firemen surrounded the flames and took measures to prevent the blazes from spreading any further. The firemen have scrambled to the popular Al Mubarak market, a favorite shopping place for citizens and expatriates, particularly at the advent of the fasting month of Ramadan, where the huge fire broke out and gutted a chain of stores. A huge plume of black smoke billowed into the skies from the scene, snacking among top of the Kuwait city's skyscrapers and high buildings. The Kuwaiti Fire Force said that in an initial report that 5 brigades rushed to the scenes to put out the flames. Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Interior Sheikh Ahmad Al Nawab, after visiting the Souk Mubarakia, informed that the public security will close the part of the area which was exposed to the fire today afternoon for 2 days to secure the properties of the owners of the damaged shop and its surroundings. A huge fire broke out at the Souk Mubarakia today afternoon, which was controlled thanks to the effort of the firefighters. Minister visited to site and said that Kuwait will reopen the market very soon after completing all the necessary procedures. People love to visit Souk Mubarakia, especially during the holy month of Ramadan, he said. Sheikh Ahmad Al Nawab thanked the employees of the fire department and the Ministry of the Interior for controlling the fire on time and for their effort in securing the scene of the accident and keeping the crowd away. Meanwhile, special forces were used to disperse the public who were gathered in large number near the site. Officials closed the area and appealed the public to leave from the site as a crowd were keen to photograph such incidents. It is to be noted that most of the roofs of the shops are made of a special material which may collapse on public as they pass under it. MOI Undersecretary Lieutenant General Anwar Al-Barjas called on public not to visit the site until all procedures are completed. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Health activated emergency plan in all public hospitals and allocated Amiri Hospital as the main hospital to receive cases. MOH team handled some cases at the site. As per latest update at 7 p.m., 8 units of firefighting teams are still firefighting the fire that broke out in dozens of shops in Souk Al Mubarakia today afternoon. Residents of expatriates who remain outside the country for more than 6 months will not be cancelled, except for domestic workers. Locally daily reported, quoting Director General of the General Department of Relations and Security Media at the Ministry of Interior, Brigade Tawheed Al Kandari. This decision was taken during the COVID pandemic as expatriates were stuck outside the country for more than 6 months. According to latest report, the residents of domestic workers will be cancelled if they stay more than 6 months outside. Ministry of Commerce and Industry Fahad Al-Surayyan assured that the food prices are stable and will not be affected by any changes, stressing the government's full commitment on the matter. This came at the Food Security Conferences earlier on Thursday, where Al Surayan expressed confidence in the country's strategic reserve of essential food supplies and in its national institutions, making clear that food security in Kuwait is strong. Meanwhile, Acting Director of Kuwait Port Authority Badr Al Enaisi pointed out that port traffic is flowing as usual with ships docking and smoothly uploading in accordance to international standards. Ministry of Interior launched a security campaign in the Mahbula area and issued 654 traffic violation tickets and arrested of number of law violators. The campaign was carried out as per the directives and instructions of the Undersecretary of the Ministry of Interior, Lieutenant General Anwar Al-Bajjas, under the supervision of the Traffic and Operations Sector Major General Jamal Al-Saeed. The weekly traffic campaign resulted in issuance of 654 directly tickets in addition to the arrest of a domestic worker and citizen for drug-related cases. Officials explained that a similar campaign will continue to arrest law violators and will take legal misuse including deportation. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank